Colorado seatbelt laws. Seatbelts save lives, regardless of what your state's laws say about wearing them. In 2017, for example, nearly half of those killed in car accidents, 47%, were not wearing seat belts. Does Colorado require seat belts for drivers or passengers? The Colorado government takes seat belt use seriously. The Colorado Department of Transportation, CDOT, promotes seat belt use statewide through strategies such as annual click it or ticket campaigns. Approximately 86% of Colorado residents wear seat belts, which is 4% less than the national average of 90%. Although Colorado does not have a universal seatbelt law requiring all vehicle occupants to buckle up, it does require all drivers and front seat passengers to wear seat belts. Colorado's universal seatbelt law requires drivers and front seat passengers to wear a seatbelt at all times. Although backseat adult passengers are not required to wear a seatbelt, their chance of injury increases without its use. Colorado car seat requirements for child occupants. Colorado's seatbelt law requires all minors to wear seat belts. Young children are subject to additional child restraint requirements under state law, which requires the use of child safety seats for children under the age of 8. Colorado seatbelt law penalties for non-compliance. Colorado has a secondary seatbelt law, meaning police officers cannot use the failure to wear a seatbelt as the sole reason for pulling a driver over. Only then may an officer issue a citation for failing to comply with the state's seatbelt laws. If you get into a car accident and suffer serious personal injuries, lack of seatbelt wearing according to the Colorado seatbelt law could give the at-fault driver a reason to refute liability for your injuries. Our Denver car accident attorneys can only do so much to help you restore your life after auto collision injuries.